How to fix the action not available in Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the action not available in Roblox Mobile. First, go to the Roblox app and see if it's showing any problems or not. If it's showing any problem, then go to the App Store. Then use the search bar to search for the Roblox app. Here, update the Roblox app to use its latest version. Now navigate to the Settings app and reach General. After that, select the iPhone storage option and tap on See All. Next, choose the Roblox app and offload the app. Reinstall the app to resolve the action not available issue in Roblox Mobile. After that, go back to General and tap on Software Update. Finally, update your device's software to access the latest features and improvements. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.